As you know, in Paris there is a flood, which is Creux de Seine. La Creux de la Seine. And of course you probably saw resilience photos about how it's look outside. And it's like all this muddy, fast water and everything. We will show you the Seine in the other side, from inside the Seine. So we are actually going to swim inside the Seine. Follow us. Small. Here. So to get to the Seine, you have to open the secret door and go to the secret location, which we are doing. Now. Yeah, no. You did it another way. It's okay. On this way.
Yeah, the other side.
Yeah. Now we have a light there. Up. So we're still on the second floor. We're going down on the first floor. Sorry, it will pass fewer of the trash bags. This is the first floor. As you can see, this is the first floor. And voila, that's where we're going. We're heading just here.
Amazing. Look at this.
And I'm gonna swim in it. So to show you how the Seine looks from the bottom down. To tell you, I am prepared. So I bought this this strange looking pants, the boots. Something fell down. It's not me, no? Oh, it's me.
And I don't know.
And Christina will film me from the back. I'm not sure if I can actually get down because it seems quite deep. I'll try. But anyway, so I'm prepared. Waterproof pants. Cross fingers for me, please. And I'm gonna swim in January in the Seine. Inside though. Think about swimming pool. See you!
See you, Zoya!
Whose idea was that? I tell you. Okay, I'm doing the first step. Maybe I actually have to film it as well.
Yeah, just.
Oh my God, look at that. Yeah. Okay, so for now I am actually like, I'm not sure if I can get. My God, how is it? How do I look like? How do I look like? How's my makeup? Good. So, first feet in the water. Right, look at that. Yeah. Okay, so for now I am actually like, I'm not sure if I can get down very. It want me out.
Is it slippery?
No, because it was dry just about a week ago. How far I can go? I can go here.
Go, yeah, go.
It's actually pretty clean. Look at my shoes. I feel like I'm in Florida, almost. My pants are so tight. So how far I can go? I can go.
Again, one more.
Okay, guys, I'm in. I have to say the pants just squeezed me. I don't know. I never fished in this kind of thing. It's very cool. There is something floating there. And there is the doors here. So to tell you, these are the carves actually of this building. So people actually should be having something inside. Not recommended, like I can see right now. There's like not that I want to go there. There's lots of trash, and there's a bicycle here. Somebody left the bicycle here. My camera is not waterproof, but let me try. I don't know. Do you see bicycle there? Here's a bicycle. You see bicycle? Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so hallelujah.
So yeah, this is amazing. Look at this. You are swimming in the River Seine.
I'm filming you in the River Seine.
So yeah, this is amazing. Look at this. You are swimming in the River Seine.
So basically, I'm not gonna do this, but try to imagine me doing this. I think I'm going to be out, but let me do like just a few photos from like how sand looks up under it. Maybe just a little bit of bicycle here. I don't know if you can see it. And there's a trash cans floating here. Anyway, so that's the level of the River Seine inside the building. And there's like bubbles, it's bubbling. Let me do like this. Somebody poking down. Anyway, I think it's... let me do from inside. Fire extinguisher. I don't like this.
I want to touch this.
It's cold. I mean, again, film it again. So I am in the water. I am in the water from my waist down. So you can see my... There is some noise of these things. There is a bicycle here. I don't know if I did make video before. There is a trash can. There is a trash can. There is a plastic over there. I think there's like some banana things. There's another trash here. I am in the water. I am in the water from my waist down here.
So yeah, reporting from the underground.
I'm swimming on the sand. I'm swimming on the sand. And I'm only in the sand. Underwater.
With Zoia Skoropadenko.
Subscribe, follow, like, and I also paint.
Yeah, she also paints.
There is some gravel here.
So you are reporting from the underground.
I'm swimming on the sand. I'm swimming on the sand, and I'm only again. Guys, I love you all. I'm coming back.
You see everything. You see your shoes.
You can see, oh, not anymore because I think actually you can see now. It's not so scary. I thought it would be much more scary. Here you are. But I don't swim backwards. Yeah, here we are. We're at the River Seine, underwater. Man, it's so wet. It's so cold. Ah! Here you are?
Pretty impressive. Now we're back.
So now,
back to Paris.
Now we're back to real flood. I mean, we were in the real flood underwater, but now this is the water that is actually filtered, and it's in a house. So I was swimming just about a few minutes ago in the water sand by inside, which is filtered by the stones of the building, and that's how the flood looked in here. There's like people sitting.
Yeah, you should take off your shoes here.
Christina proposed me to put my shoes down.
Haha. Take off your shoes, yeah. Master Zoia.
I don't know how they do this, guys, in this...
The fisherman.
The fisherman suit.
And then you can bring the batter back to the water.
Put back the camera, not like that.
Okay, sorry. Not to the sea.
I have another one, I can put it there. Just to tell you, there's no fish in the water there.
Maybe something else, but not fish.
Okay.
The stones also filter the fish.
Ready?
Ready.
Let's back the water back.
Woo!
Well, guys, that's what we wanted to show you. Inside water and outside water. So inside water is until here. The outside water, I don't even want to try. It's slightly faster than inside. So.
Voila.